What's going on, good people? Thank you again for tuning to another episode. My name, of course, is Neon Raw Talent, and I want to welcome y'all to another episode where I add flavor. Now, this one is going to be big. We're doing 3 custom videos in one. So this is going to be the 3 vids that I actually plan on releasing, but you know, time and taking a hiatus at the beginning of the year to celebrate the holidays, we're actually going to do them in one. So it's the Washington football team, hometown of course, burgundy and gold customs I did for my cousin, the Incredibles I did for my sister from another mister, Tamia. She had me do those for her daughter, the Vans. And last but not least, we're doing some Air Maxes with the Cowboys team flavor. Hey, burgundy and gold is in my blood. What can you do? Alright, so we're doing all 3 of those in one. So I'm going to do a whole time lapse of how I made each of those. And then the next video is going to be my first custom for the new year. So sit back and enjoy.
Oh, yeah, you messed up though, man.
What?
Slipping.
Alright, so sit back and enjoy.
Oh, you don't act like you
Hey, sir. Can we? Sir, come on. This friendly show. We're having fun. Let's just enjoy it, okay?
You a sellout, chump. Making shoes for the Cowboys.
Whoa, you're not going to disrespect me in my own show.
Man, come here to learn about no Cowboys.
I don't care.
Sellout.
I'm a sellout? Okay, so I'm a sellout because I made the cowboy shoes. My brother-in-law paid me to do those.
You're supposed to tell him all about that burgundy and gold. Tell him keep it pushing. Don't do silver and
he
blue
has a
DC.
favorite team he had me doing for. I ain't gonna call me a sellout on my own show. You literally are eating food from the complimentary buffet and you're calling me a sellout. So let me get this straight. So now, y'all been enjoying the show, watching the show, but the minute I do some cowboy shoes, I'm a sellout. Y'all really gonna sit there and tell me that? Man,
kill me with this! Every time I try to do something, I've been giving y'all videos and content and adding flavor to anything I get my hands on, and y'all gonna sit there and call me a sellout? I'm trying to have a relationship with my father, but I can't because of these cowboy shoes. Y'all killing me, I'm tired. Y'all killing me with this. I can't do this no more.
Can I get a water? Thank you. I don't mean to play the victim. I don't mean to play the victim. And I know I'm overreacting. But I ain't trying to get no Oscar. So we're gonna get right into this video, y'all. And hopefully if you like it, comment, like, share, and subscribe. That's all I'm asking you to do. That's all I'm asking. Side note, with Corona and my current job, it's been a while since I had to wear a tie. Damn, I look good. Damn, I look good.
Hey, y'all validate parking though?
Not for you. No. Why is he back in here? You know what? Tell security they all gotta get a new job. They fired. Alright, kicking things off with our Cowboys Air Max. Things are looking a little tropical with this blue and green fade. So let's go ahead and take care of that. So first things first, we're going to lay down a base of white. We're using Angela's Too Soft and Angela's Flat White. And we're going to go around the shoe to cover the entire shoe. And of course, we're going to be doing some heat setting of 3 to 5 minutes with our air dryer in between each layer. Next, once that's done, we're going to lay down some Angela's Metallic Silver at the tip of the toe caps on the front of the shoe. Once that's done, we're going to work on our gradient using our silver in combination with our blue, which we made a mixture of Angela's Flat White, Angela's Silver, and Angela's Dark Blue. We're going to airbrush to get a gradient going to fade in from the silver going all the way into the dark blue in the back. I actually didn't need to use flat white to cover the entire shoe since dark blue would be going over the lighter colors in the back. Just need that flat white in the front where the silver will be laying down. So I actually made things a lot easier.
Purchase
Next, we're going to add extra flavor, doing some speckles and splats of white paint to contrast the blue and white on the Cowboys jersey. Next, I laid down some stencil letters that stuck to the shoe to spell out Cowboys. I'm going to airbrush white over that to have a nice aura, kind of glow effect of the Cowboys name spelled out on the side of the shoe. And this, of course, was with Angela's flat white. Then once I remove them, I'm going to go ahead and do some touch up and line work so that the letters really pop on the side of the shoe once you see them. Same effect was done with the Lone Star on the opposite shoe. Next, we got our Washington football team, and these are leather shoes, so we've already done our prep work with the acetone and rubber down the whole surface and letting it dry. So now we're going to lay down our Angela's Autumn Red, which is a perfect color for any Washington football team customs. The Autumn Red is the perfect choice to match that burgundy on the jersey. So we're going to do about 2 to 3 layers of that on the entirety of the shoe. And once that's done, as you can see, I made some handmade stencils, which I laid down before I started painting. And we're going to do our glow effect again with Angela's flat white and our airbrush. And once that's done, we're going to remove the stencil and do some touch-ups. And then we're going to do a mixture of Angela's yellow and Angela's orange. And that's really just like 1 or 2 drops of Angela's orange into Angela's yellow to get that mixture, to really get that gold that you see on the jerseys of the Washington football team. And then we're going to mix 2 soft into that mixture and use it to color in the tongue. And then we're going to apply some Angela's black and 2 soft mix to color in our sock liner to get rid of that bright lime green with the sock line. Alright, so lastly we got our Incredibles Vans. We're doing Jack, Jack, and Violet. First we sketched out our letters for Jack, Jack as well as the outline. And now we're laying down a mix of Angela's Red and 2 soft. And we're going to cover these first 2 panels here with that mixture to represent the uniform of the Incredibles. And now we're on to the next shoe with Violet. And I sketched out her outline as well as her letters and laying down a red mixture as well. Next, we're going to lay down the toe cap around our outline sketch of the Incredibles logo. And then we're going to go ahead and cover our tongue. And we're going to cover in the other toe cap as well with XY. And XY is for Zai, which is a short nickname for her daughter. Alright, once that's done, we're going to do a little glow effect for the orb for our Incredibles. And we're going to finish coloring them in. I'm going to color all the details as far as the coloring of the skin tone, the uniform, and that stripe on the side of the Vans. We're going to color orange to represent the belt for the Incredibles as well. And then we're going to do some coloring of the outline and name and a few dots for extra flavor. Next, we're going to color in the side panels around these eyelids of the shoelaces black to represent the glove and boots of the Incredibles. And we'll do the same for our back end and represent that underwear that they wear over their pants like true superheroes. Just some outline and fine details and we'll be all set to go. Alright, first, before we do our reveal, I want to make a special announcement in regards to, you guys know I've been pushing and helping promote other small businesses of friends I know and fellow entrepreneurs. My customer who asked me to do the Incredible shoes for her daughter actually has a cosmetic line. She does custom lip gloss and lashes as well as even some handbags and other cosmetic products. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below to see her Instagram page as well as her website. So pay her a visit and support the business, please. Definitely think the products are great and you might find something you like for your cosmetic and beauty needs. So please pay her a visit, support the business, and again, link in the description below for her Instagram page as well as her website for a cosmetic line. And while you're on Instagram, go ahead and pay a visit to my page and click on my stories, my highlights more rather, of my Support Biz 2 and Support Biz, where I have highlighted a lot of different small businesses and entrepreneurs for their various services and products. Go ahead and pay that a visit, check them out. A link to their page will be in each store that you see, and you might just find something you like. Various items for food, cupcakes, desserts, hand accessories, and more.
Jimmy on the track, so you know it's lit.
Fly, bubble boy. Fly, bubble boy. Fly, bubble boy.
Purchase your tracks today.
It's little bacon, man. Oh, these are very pretty. Look at Jack Jack. Look, and I know Valley on the other shit. Look. Yes, Nemo, thank you.
Of course.
Oh, look at my shoes. These are not even my shoes, but look at my shoes. These are cute. Thank you, I love them.
Of course.
Oh, she better be excited.
Glad you like them.
Thank you.
Of course.
I get down now, you can make me have some. Pull her ass out, say it's just a rap song. Put her ass out, she can smoke a fat blunt. I like this song, I don't fuck with that one. I'm on acid, why you think I left wrong? 3 a.m. It goes on and on and on and on and on. We can make it last long. I can knock her, she know how to.
I know I'm overreacting, but I ain't trying to get no Oscar.